Factorizing expressions. For example, factorize the expression 2x plus 4. Well, let's pause for a moment and look at what a factor is. If you notice here, factorizing has the word factor in it. Factors. These are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. They are always positive and they're always whole numbers. For example, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. So 2 is a factor of 6 and 3 is a factor of 6. The number 6 has 4 factors. 1 multiplied by 6 equals 6. So 1 is a factor of 6 and so is 6. Here's how I like to work out factors. Let's take the number 24. The first thing I like to do is put it in a bubble like this. And then I'll start with the number 1. 1 is always a factor of a positive whole number. So I can write 1 multiplied by 24. 1 is a factor of 24 and 24 is a factor of 24. After 1, I'll try 2. 2 multiplied by 12. 2 is a factor of 24 and 12 is a factor of 24. Let's try 3. 3 multiplied by 8. 3 is a factor of 24 and so is 8. Let's try 4. 4 multiplied by 6. 4 is a factor of 24 and so is 6. Let's try 5. Hang on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Nope. It's not a factor of 24 because you can't multiply by a positive whole number to get 24. Let's try 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Hang on, we've already got this one here. So now we stop. So the factors of 24 are in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Let's write those in a list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now that we know what a factor is, we can factorize this expression. Now, factorizing is the opposite of expand. When we expand, we start with the brackets and we multiply out. Here, we start with the expression and we put it into brackets. So, 2x plus 4 equals, we need to find a common factor of 2 and 4, which in this case is 2. You see, 1's a common factor, but the highest common factor is 2. Let's write that down. We need the highest common factor. Need highest common factor. Right, so we started with this. Let's finish it off. Brackets. 2 multiplied by x makes 2x. 2 multiplied by 2 makes 4. And here I've got 2 multiplied by plus 2 makes plus 4. Now I can check my answer. How do I check it? By expanding the brackets and see if I get back to the original expression. So I had 2x plus 2, and if I expand the brackets, 2 multiplied by x is 2x, and 2 multiplied by plus 2 is plus 4. So my answer is correct. This here is my original expression factorized. This is my answer. Let's do another one. Factorize 25y minus 10. Well, I'm looking for the highest common factor of 25 and 10. So let me think, it's 5. So I write the 5 is my factor, my highest common factor. I put the brackets. 5 multiplied by 5y makes 25y. And 5 multiplied by negative 2 makes negative 10 or minus 10. Let's check it. Let's see if we expand these brackets whether we get our original expression. 5 multiplied by 5y is 25y. Looks good so far. And 5 multiplied by negative 2 makes negative or gives negative 10. Great, it works. Let's do one more. 6 minus 18m equals. Well, 2 is a common factor, but it's not the highest. 3 is a common factor, but it's not the highest. 6 is a common factor, and it's the highest. So we can write 6 here, and the brackets. 6 multiplied by 1 makes the 6, equals the 6. And 6 multiplied by negative 3m makes or equals negative 18m. Let's check that over here. 6 brackets 1 minus 3m equals 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Looking good so far. 6 multiplied by negative 3m equals negative 18m. Brilliant. I got it right again. So remember, these are the answers. We start with the original expression. To factorize it, we put it into brackets. And that's how you factorize expressions.